more on this story, we now go to Trisha Takanawa. Trisha?
Joyce, I'm standing here on the streets of Cohog, where citizens are feeling the effects of the city's new drinking law.
I was going to bone my girlfriend, but she told me that if there wasn't vanilla vodka involved, there was no way.
Well, I think we just have to trust our elected officials. And Goldman's Pharmacy is fully stocked on cough syrup, which goes great with ginger ale.
Well, I do miss drinking, but I have used the time to reconnect with my children, and I'm actually thinking about resuming my actuarial practice.
Oh my God, he's just been drunk this whole time?
This new law sucks.